Hey, it's Lindsay with WTI. Do you like cold drinking water? I know I do. And this water bottle from VSITOO is not only helping me to keep my water cold, but it's also got some really cool smart features. Let me show you why I like it. One of the things I love about this is the insulated quality inside. It keeps my water super cold, but if I want to use it for hot, I can also use it for my coffee and it keeps it nice and hot. But what's very cool about this is the lid is actually a smart lid and it shows you the temperature of the water inside. All you got to do is flip it over and the sensor, which is right inside, will tell you what the temperature is. It also has another feature that is what I think very special, and that is a TDS sensor. So it tells you the quality of the water you're drinking. Now I tested this by using my RO filtered water, and then I used water from a local chain restaurant, and it definitely saw the difference. All you have to do is put the water in and seal it tightly, and then flip the water bottle over for 5 seconds. This lid will vibrate when it's done, then it'll tell you the reading. In the little manual, it will also tell you what that reading means, so you know the quality of water you're drinking. If you are looking for a water bottle that is insulated, beautiful, high quality, and it also has very cool smart features, I highly recommend this one from VSITOO, and that's just my point of view.